Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in AppSex Online Support and Assignments tutorial for week 5. I am Zubiar Zak from APS Chathamni. The grade is 7 and subject is Science. You must have new secondary science 2, basic stationery and gadgets. Contents include day-wise breakup, objectives and transporting food. Recipe is chapter number 2, plants and their systems. Objective is at the end of this week you would be able to understand about transporting system from textbook pages 18 to 19. Now it's time to share the day 1 task, that is to understand about transportation in plants. And now I am showing you the developing shoots of a chili plant. During spring season, the sugar that is present in plant moves upward. Okay? As these shoots are developing, so they need sugars for their growth and development, and sugar contains the basic nutrients that are essential for plant growth and development. Just have a close look of the aerial part of this plant, that how shoots are developing and sugar is moving here. Just have a close look of bean seeds that use the sugar that was stored in their seeds. During the autumn season, the sugar is stored in onion, potato and ginger. All these have the basic food stored in them. I am showing you the tomato plant. It is using the sugar that is moving upward from this direction to the aerial part of this plant. All these plants are using sugar during spring season. Have you ever thought that why these plants are too sweet? Because they contain the sugar that is stored in them. So fruits are storing the sugar that makes them sweet and tasty. As I have discussed earlier, that developing shoots need sugar because the sugar contains nutrients for growth and development. Sugar in fruits. Fruits taste sweet because they are full of sugar. The plant fills them with sugar, so the animal will eat them. Now I am going to discuss that why there are holes in the end of the phloem for the conduction of food. The food is conducted through these holes. In spring, sugar moves upward towards shoots because they are growing. In autumn, a lot amount of sugar is stored, so it goes to fruits and seeds or down to the roots. So now I am going to demonstrate that what is osmosis and what is semi-permeable membrane. Keep watching. Now I have isopropyl husk. I will mix it in water and sieve it by using this bandage. This bandage is acting as just like semi-permeable membrane because it allows water to pass through but does not allow isopropyl husk to pass through it. I hope you have got my point. The water has been filtered now. So I hope you have got the concept of osmosis. Now it's time to discuss the diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion is the movement of solute from an area of high concentration to low concentration. As you can watch on your screen, that the water molecules are moving from high concentration towards their low concentration, and osmosis is the diffusion of water. So now it's time to discuss the semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane is a membrane that only allows certain types of particles to move through it under certain conditions. Water molecules diffuse across the membrane from the weak sugar solution into the strong sugar solution. This continues until the concentration is the same on both sides of the membrane. So the volume of a liquid in the semi-permeable bag increases and the liquid rises up the glass tube and then stops. Now it's time to discuss the home tasks for the day 1, that are reading and memorizing significant concepts from textbook pages 18 to 19. Do test yourself part 1 to 4 from textbook page 18 on loose sheets. And do test yourself part 1 to 4 from textbook page 19. Day 1 tasks completed. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and have a nice day.